Hey, we're on a plane. Awesome. Whoa! Here we go. Plane crash. Oh shit. Billy! Billy, hold on! Billy! What the fuck? Jesus! Give me back my boy! Hey, we may have been in a plane crash, but it's a nice day. It's a nice day to crash in a plane. I can build shit already. I can build like a cabin. I can go back home. Hey, Ma! I can build a my ma can't hear me. There's a camp! Did you guys not hear the whole, like, plane crash that I was part of? Looks like something intense happened here. What am I hearing? There's enemies! They're coming for me! Run! That was scary. Those fuckers are fast! What the hell is this down here? This is creepy. Really not sure if my shelter should go down here, cause it looks like something bad happened. Motherfuckers! They're back! Can I fight you? I feel like I want to fight you right now. Come at me! Come at me, bro! I am man! Yeah, run away, fuckers! Nice ass, dude! What the fuck? Die, you bitch! I have an axe! Motherfucker! Jesus. Oh, he's not even fully dead. Now he is! Oh my god, I chopped him up into little bits! And now I have a head. I'm gonna see if I can build any of this shit. Oh! And I have a lighter. Nice! Awesome! Look what man can build. Yeah! Burn! Yeah, run away, bitches! This is what Jack does! And it's raining. Great. What was that?